This is Nicholas for TR Electronic, and today I want to show you how to toggle your LE200's laser diode on and off using the AOI. This is an add-on video to a previous one that we did where we set up the AOI. If you haven't set your AOI up yet, I'd recommend doing that first as I'll be building off that information. Link to the other video on the AOI is in the top corner and down below. Everything that I'll be talking about in this video is directly taken from our LE200 encoder manual. Specifically, what we'll be going over today are the rung details at the top of page 18. All right, let's get started. Let's go to the top and add a new rung. Then add an examine on byte. Right click and add a new tag. Let's give this tag a name. I'll call mine laser off command and press enter to create. Then let's add a one shot. Give that a tag name as well. And this will be called laser off command underscore ONS. Then click to create. Go to the move logic, add a move. Let's set the destination element to LE200 dot write config and add a source number of 2. Let's add a latch. Same thing, LE200 dot write dot laser diode this time. And another one to configure the command. So LE200 dot write dot command. Now let's add a lower branch. Extend it to the end. And add an examine on. Add the new tag. Give it a name like laser on command. Add the one shot. And give that a similar name, laser on command underscore ONS. Add a move block. Set the source to 2 and the destination to LE200 dot write config. Add an unlatch and set that to LE200 dot write laser diode. Add a latch and set that to LE200 dot write command. If you haven't already, be sure to set your encoder and PLC pathway up here by selecting Set Project Path. Mine's already been done, so it's grayed out. I'd like to take a few minutes just to go over how this rung works. Then I'll show it running on a PLC with the laser in a side-by-side demo. On the first rung, first line, we have the laser off command, which will be used to toggle and close a circuit allowing a signal to pass through it. The laser off command underscore ONS, which will only send one signal value through it. The move block will take the value of 2, overwrite it to the destination LE200.write config. This 2 value will be used to select which attribute will be written to the device. If we go to page 15 of the AOI manual, we can see that the TR underscore LE200 UDT table lists the write config section at the bottom. Then references another table below it to show specifically what we're selecting. In this case, I'll be using the laser diode written value. To actually turn the laser on and off, we need to set the value of the written value, LE200.write.laserDiode, to 1. This can be done with the latch command. Then, to save this one value, we need to add another latch command labeled as le200.write.command to save everything to our device. After all of this is done, we'll be able to turn off our laser diode. On the first rung, second line, we have very similar commands. This one tells us that if we want to turn the laser diode back on, we just need to unlatch the laser diode command. All right, with everything set up, let's download the program to our PLC and take this online. Okay, so we've got our laser set up and our program running. I can see that the laser light is on, so I'll go to the first rung and press Ctrl T to toggle the laser off command to turn the laser light off. I'll then toggle it again to unlatch it and move to the laser on command. And then I'll toggle that command and return the laser light to the on state. I'll repeat this one more time for demonstration. All right, and that's everything. If you'd like to look into the capabilities of this laser, need any clarification on what I did here, I'd highly encourage you to have a look at our AOI manual, which goes into even more detail about the capabilities of this device. Thanks for watching.